show you my teeth now. So I feel clean now. Feels nice. Hi guys, we're out today. We're going to the dentist for the first time, guys. So we're walking towards the dentist, towards the center. We're going in the center. The dentist is in the center, right, baby? So I'm going for a dental cleaning today for the first time after 3 years here in Greece. So let's see whether they can clean my teeth well, even it's so dirty now. Not so dirty yet because I'm always brushing my teeth, but I'm sure there's some dirt that cannot be removed by brushing your teeth, right? So you must go in the dentist even once a year, at least once a year. Okay, so I'll see whether I can vlog there, but if not, I'm gonna show you the result later, and I'm going to tell you if how much to go in the dentist here. Alright, okay, so I'll see you guys later. The center, guys, is only 8 minutes walk from our apartment, so it's really very near. So I'm gonna update you later, guys. I'm gonna show you some part of Larissa again, guys. So we are already actually in the center. This show is going in the center. There. And this venue is for the gas, right? The gas office. Oops. Oh my god, it's stopped while we're walking. It's not go yet. Dessert. Yeah, so already have lots of shops here, starting from here until the center. It's already 5 p.m. guys, and the shops are open. Yeah, correct, right? At 5:30? Ah, okay. So it's 5:30 by the way, guys. Huh?
Next week we change the time here.
And? At 5. So they will going to open earlier, 30 minutes earlier next week, because the time will going to change. So next week we'll be going to be 6 hours behind in our country. Now is 5 hours behind. So next week will be going to be 6 hours behind Kogor. So this is the shops where you can buy sports clothes, and nice weather today, guys, to walk. It's not cold. Shoes. I'm looking for boots for winter, but I don't want the high one. There's the sneakers also there. We are now here in the park, guys, or They call it a square. Yeah. Square. So there are tabernas and some shops there. Is it tabernas? Right, correct. Cafe? Oh, it's a cafe. And there's shops there. And this is the fountain, but it's not just open. I think later they were going to open it. And there's a shops there. This is mini mart. Small shops. There's another Kogar shops there again. And this is Jack and Jones. I don't know what is brand is this. There is cafe. They are selling winter coater, guys, for guys. Here is cafe again. There, how much? Espresso is 170 and cappuccino is 220. There you go. Oops. This is travel agent. Pots. And this is, I don't know what's that, dessert. What they are selling there? Macnis. Some of the shops are still closed because they were going to open at 5:30. Here is cafe. There's a lot of coffee shop here, guys. Here is her salon. Whoa. Oops. So we are going in the dentist, guys. Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Because the brush is outside the finish to the cut. We're almost there. Huh? This is university, guys. Agent College. In shops. Urban luxury. I go for it. Where? Here. So here's the dentist, guys. Going here. This where we went in the, travel agent? Travel agent? No, it's different. Alright guys, we're already here. So I'm gonna update you later, guys. We're already here in the dentist. So it's like this. Guys, is at 5:30 and we came early. It's a bit early. I think 5 or 10 minutes earlier. So we're waiting here for our appointment at 5:30. So we're going to go for dental cleaning and my husband is going for dental cleaning also.
A few moments later.
I'm done, guys. Gonna show you your teeth now. So I feel clean now. feels different. So I feel clean. She make it very well. She make it very clean, guys. So it took 30 minutes to clean my teeth. And so, by the way, guys, the dentist advised me to go for x-ray of my molar, of my teeth, because my molar tooth here, the last molar tooth, is really, it's really there inside. And most of the time, I can't brush it well by toothbrush. So maybe she told me that the last molar is for extraction, because maybe someday it will going to affect the next molar tooth next to it. So she suggested to go for x-ray and for extraction. But we'll see. I will go for x-ray first, and then we'll see whether it's going for what to do, she said. What she's going to do. Yeah, then also my husband is now there inside. There's another client. So it's my husband's turn now.